Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to change the handing of our Pro Linea flag hinge. This particular hinge, viewed from the inside of your property, open inwards door, is a right hand hinge. So you may have ordered this wrong, or you didn't quite understand when you were ordering, and you need to swap it round to suit the left hand side, which it can't do. But if you push this centre pin out, noting there's a little datum line there, and on the nylon plug, simply push, just a screwdriver, I use a paper clip, push the pin out in this position as if your door was closed. Push the pin out, take off the back plate, simply spin that around, push it back into place, and in that closed L-shape position again, find the little line on your pin and match it with the line on your nylon plug and just push it in, and in that way you have now got a left hand hinge. Thanks very much.